Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. All right, guys. So we are starting with basic shirt placket, and let me just put you across with the wait. Can you I mean, no. रंजीत, हाँ मेरे को 10 मिनट दे, मैं डेमो में हूँ. हाँ ठीक है, चल. ओके. Is it visible, guys, on both the camera? Because I can't see on another one.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
sewing machine one is visible.
Ma'am, the camera with the upper view, that one is not
Working,
visible.
right? Yeah.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am. Now it's working.
Okay. So is it all right now?
Yes,
You are
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. It's showing.
right?
Yes, ma'am, it's
And
fine.
we are starting with basic placket. All right? Okay. So we made all the patterns, and when you make for women, you will have buttons on which side?
On the
Left
left
side.
side.
Left side.
Yes.
Left side.
Yes, absolutely. All right. So just have a look. So here we have, this is center front, 5x8
Actually,
extension.
ma'am, the network is not good, so we are not able to see the borders clearly.
Which network? I mean, both are working proper.
Ma'am, the image is a bit hazy.
Yeah, the off-white muslin will not be visible, beta.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Yeah, it's not a pattern. So I have shown you pattern also. So it is the same thing. We have transferred on fabric. Now can you see?
Ma'am, it's not, the markings are not visible on the pattern also, but we saw it in the earlier videos.
All right. Is it visible, beta?
Yes, ma'am, now it's visible.
Okay. Can you see notches also at, now can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So you see 5x8, 1/4 and ½ inch,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
So you will have notches at 5x8, then 1/4, right? 1/4. Okay. Same thing is there in your fabric. And when you do it on actual fabric, you do use fusing, which is on formal fabric, but at moment we do not require fusing. We just want you to understand the technique. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, we have always fusing on the inner side of placket area, which is this, which will going to get exposed on the front side, where you have button on right side and buttonhole on right side. So when you close, so on the back of it exactly, you will have 1/4 of inch wider width ka fusing throughout on your placket. All right.
अभी ये हाफ इंच जो है सिम अलाउंस वाला वो मैंने फोल्ड किया है, फिर 1/4 वाला पार्ट फोल्ड किया, ठीक है. आयरन कर लेना है प्रॉपर या नेल प्रेस कर देना है ताकि ये पूरा फ्लैट बैठ जाए, ठीक है. अभी
So now can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
This is what, on this, we will be having stitch line. So you have closer look here from both the side. સ્વિચ બંધ છે કદાચ કે ચાલુ છે ખબર નથી પડી રહી કંઈક નું કંઈક માથાકૂટ છે. હા. થયું? રમેશભાઈ ઠાકુર છે આ તો અત્યારે. અશોક ઠાકુર ને બોલાવશે નહીં ને હમણાં.
સવાર તો મશીન ચાલુ થતું હતું, અત્યારે કેમ મશીન ચાલુ?
Ma'am, we'll put notches both up and down, or just at the upper side only.
બોલો બેટા.
Ma'am, will we put the notches both at upper and
Yes,
bottom?
yes,
similar to-
upper and bottom both.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
So that it's like when we draw any line, we need 2 dot points.
Okay.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Similar
Yes,
way,
ma'am.
we need notches at bottom and at the top.
Ma'am, the stitch line will be on the center front as well as the extension,
No, beta,
right?
there won't be any stitch line at center front. Center front
Okay.
will only have button and buttonhole.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah. Thakur. Thakur. Yes.
કઈ જ કર્યું નથી, સવાર પછી બી ખરું.
બધું મારા જ આવશે આ રીતે.
આજે ક્લાસનો મૂડ નથી લાગતો.
એક કામ કરો, આ મશીન બદલી નાખો, એ લોકોને બ્રેક આપી નાખો.
હા.
આ મશીનનો ચેક કરી દો. આ તારીનું કેમેરો તો આપણે ચેક કરી
હા, ચલો.
ખાલી બદલવાનું છે. ઉપર પ્લગ કરી દઈએ.
એ બળ લગાવેલો જ છે, એને લગાવેલો જ છે.
अच्छा, आराम बेचना पड़ता है। भाइयों और बहनों, हम कहीं और जा रहे घूमने। 2 मिनट लाओ आ तो हमारा जरूर
તમે આ બાજુ આ ફાશે પણ નહીં આવે કેમેરો નહીં આવે.
અરે હું કરું છું ને પણ ભાઈ તું આટલું હું લે હાય કરે
ઓકે ઓકે.
અમે તો મશીન પહેલે કંટ્રોલ બી નહીં શીખ્યું ને હજી. ઘરે આવડી ગયું છે.
ના એ લોકોએ કર્યું છે કંઈક.
એ તો ચાલુ છે ને.
વાવ. અચ્છા
પાછળ લઈ જાઓ તો ના હોય તો
ના, એ તો ઓછું કરી દે છે સેટિંગ.
આ સ્ટેન્ડ પાછું લાવો થોડું અહીંયા લગી જાઓ ના હોય તો.
ઠાકોરનો અવાજ છેડો વધારે પડશે. ખુજલી આવતી હશે કે બે હાથ વપરાતા નહીં.
આ જગ્યા હાપુસા નહીં હોય શું કરતો વિચારો
એને વાંધો ના આવે,
હોય
એને પેલું પહેલેથી આદત હોય.
આદત પડી ગઈ હોય છે. હા
નહીં, મને જેમ જોઈએ છે એમ વ્યૂ નથી. થઈ ગયું.
એકદમ ફ્લેટ દેખાશે આટલેથી દેખાયું
આ દેખાય ને પાછળથી તો દેખાય છે. જો ઠાકોર ને બતાવી દે એટલે ખબર એમને જરા શાંત.
હા અહીંયા લાવવાનું છે
આટલેથી દેખાય
એમાં દેખાય નહીં સ્ટિચિંગ પ્રોપર. મારે નજીકથી બતાવવાનું છે એટલે એ ભલે રહે. બસ રેકોર્ડિંગ તો થાય જ છે, પછી જોશે. Guys, we are starting with class. I mean demo, not class.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, could you please get the camera a bit closer to the machine so that we can see how the stitch line is going and where it is?
Yes, darling, we are just trying to adjust lot of things.
Yeah, ma'am.
बस बस मैं मोबाइल मशीन बस बस
इससे ज्यादा नहीं हो रहा है क्लोज. ठीक है?
Ma'am, it's fine. Yeah.
Yes,
Alright.
ma'am.
So here we go.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, चलो.
अब ये जो फोल्ड किया है हमने उसके 1/16 यहाँ
हाँ,
पे
ऐसा
हमें
कैसे
स्टिच
में?
लेना है 1/16 पे. तो जो ये प्रेशर फुट है वो जो लेफ्ट साइड वाला प्रेशर फुट है उससे पहले हमें ये रखना है कपड़ा. उससे आगे जो लेफ्ट साइड वाला प्रेशर फुट है उससे आगे कपड़ा नहीं जाना चाहिए ये फोल्ड किया हुआ. ठीक है, तो एग्जैक्ट आपका 1/16 पे वो स्टिच आ जाएगा. उसको फॉलो करेगा. पहले बैक स्टिच लगाना है, स्टिच लॉक करना है, फिर कंटिन्यू स्टिच लगाना है. ये हम स्टार्टर प्लेकेट बना रहे हैं अभी. दिख रहा है आपको?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
लॉक करना है स्टिच खत्म करने के टाइम. और फिर ये पूरा रेडी हो गया. आगे एक स्टिच दिखेगा और ये जो सेंटर है, सेंटर फ्रंट, वहां हमारा ये मिडिल पार्ट आया. क्या तो बटन होल होगा या बटन होगा वो यहाँ लगेगा सेंटर में.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, બીજું આપી દો મેમ.
બટન હોલ્ડિંગ કરવાનું બતાવી દેવાનું છે.
ઓકે,
માર્કિંગ ની એટલે સેન્ટર બસ પેલામાંથી માર્ક કરી દેવાનું એપેક્સ પોઈન્ટ.
ये આપણે ડ્રેસ પંપ પર લગાવીને બતાવીશું. કેમેરા. ઓકે, હા લાઈટ માટે હશે ને મશીન છે.
બાજુ
હા કારણ કે ત્યાં આપણે 50 મશીન માટે પાછું તૈયારી કરીએ છીએ ને ત્યાં એક આખી ડેનિમની લાઈન તૈયાર કરી ડેનિમનું કામ કરવાનું सेम दूसरा बना रही हूँ
जो बेसिक है उसमें दोनों में सेम होगा, सिर्फ ओवरलैपिंग के टाइम आपको ध्यान रखना है कि बटन कहाँ पे जाएगा और बटन होल्डिंग किस पे होगी एज पर दी जेंडर.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Proper.
This can become your design feature as well if you keep this line out, this one, the stitch line. All right,
Yes, ma'am.
can
Yes,
you
ma'am.
see this stitch line?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
now
ma'am.
this will be overlapping with each other where your stitch line is. Can you see? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
See, a same amount here, both are getting overlapped. Here your centers are matching. Here. So you will have buttons here, here. So button holding, sorry, on top and buttons on the down. All right. So this is your shirt basic placket. All right.
Yes,
ma'am.
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 Okay. The distancing of button we will show you later. Now French placket. So in French placket, the inner or the lower which will have buttons will be same as your basic placket. All right. Same. Your 5/8 extension, 1/4 facing, half inch, seam allowance. And you give stitch line to it.
पहले हमने ऐसे फोल्ड करके स्टिच लगाया था अभी हम ये ओपन रखेंगे खाली सीम अलाउंस फोल्ड कर रहे हैं और ये सीम अलाउंस पे हम स्टिच लगाएंगे
Okay,
समझ में
ma'am.
आ रहा है
फैब्रिक के
Yes,
साथ
ma'am.
स्टिच नहीं होगा, सिर्फ
सीम अलाउंस
सीम अलाउंस जो है फेसिंग वाला एज उसके ऊपर स्टिच आएगा. And you will not see any stitch line on the button placket inside, because
ma'am.
once you attach your buttons, your both the layers will be combined together. When you have some formal shirts or some ready-made shirts, you may see such kind of a finishings. So you close this now and you start putting buttons. This will remain without stitch, completely plain.
Ma'am, can you repeat this part just now which you said?
Yeah. So on the edge of seam allowance, you will give stitch line.
Yes, ma'am.
On both the layers, those stitch
Yes, ma'am.
lines like your basic placket, it will not be visible.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
इसमें दिख रहा है
See,
आपको
I'll show you both the things. From back
Yes, ma'am.
side, when you see them from back, they both look similar, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
But here when you try to open it, it will not, because it is stitched with your actual fabric. Whereas when you see here, there is no stitch line on your actual fabric. So
Okay, ma'am.
this is open.
Yes, ma'am.
On both the side. So you gave button and buttonhole on this layer. When you try to open this, see, let's say this is your buttonhole, all right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now when I try to open this, it will not open.
Yes,
It
ma'am.
will remain at its place. This is
Yes,
French
ma'am.
placket,
Okay, ma'am.
all right? So this is the work for today's class. We have, next class we'll have inverted and box split. Right? Concealed and box split.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
And yeah, that's it for today's class. So you have to finish this much work. And you will be doing buttonholing. So how will you do button and buttonholing? Tell me.
Ma'am,
The first button will be coming at your center bust. Basic body. I'll show you. So here is your apex point. Can you see? Is it visible, guys?